Hello everybody, it's Crafty Rhea. Welcome to another video. I'm so glad you're joining me today. Today I'm going to be making a few items with butterflies and bling from Beebeecraft. If you've not ever heard of Beebeecraft, they're an awesome craft supply company online. They do have free worldwide shipping on orders of $25 or more, so that is awesome. And they also have a coupon code available that they have given me to share with you. It is Tiggeria15, Tiggeria 15, and that gives you $5 off of $40, and that expires on May 1st, 2023. I participate in the Beebeecraft YouTube program where it's available to YouTubers with 100 subscribers or more. And you go on their website and you choose some items and they send them to you for free in exchange for 3 videos, an unboxing video and 2 project tutorial videos. This is project tutorial number 1 from this unboxing that I had recently received. I will put links to all of the products in the description box below. The items that I'm going to use today are butterflies and bling. I have this awesome set of bling that they sent me in this last order. We have large pink and small pink, large multicolor and small multicolor. Many of you know I use these a lot for Christmas lights on my Christmas cards. We have this gold in large and small, and then a slightly different color of the gold in large, and a yellower gold in small. Yellower, is that a word? More yellow. And then the clear in large and small, and then the small blue. I'm going to be using some of this bling in my projects today. I'm also going to be using some of these beautiful trims. This is a 7-pack of this floral glittery trim. This is the orange color, and it comes in the orange, light pink, dark pink, white, green, red, and light blue. Such pretty colors. This is, I think, is my favorite item that I have received from Beebeecraft this time around. I'm so excited to use those. And then we also have these Organza Butterflies. They're very sheer, and they come in several designs. We have this blue one, blue and purple, the red and white, this light blue and green mint kind of color, this red and white one, and that one that's red and white, and the gray and white, this beautiful blue, this one here, I call this the peacock colors, the peacock butterflies, and this one here. So there are a whole bunch of them. I think there's 10 of each design, and I think there are 10 designs. So that is quite a few awesome butterflies. Today I'm going to be upcycling some regular cards, pre-made cards, store-bought cards, but I'm going to add a little bit of bling, butterflies, and flowers to them to make them special. So if you have a box of store-bought cards, you can easily make them your own by just adding a few of these goodies to them. I've received these cards in Happy Mail, and I'm excited to make them prettier This one here says, it's a joy to remember your day. It's beautiful as it is. It has this on the inside, happy birthday and many more. And then the small picture on the back. And this is by illustration by Joyce Kingman. Beautiful illustration, and this card is great on its own. However, we're going to make it a little bit better. So I chose a few of the butterflies to use on this card. I went through all of them, and I tried to find for each card the ones that stood out the best. And I thought this red one looks really good down here. And this blue one possibly up here. And then this gray one over there. And what I will be using to attach the butterflies are these little glue dots. They're clear glue dots. I will be using these on the back. And I will also be using a fine point Sharpie marker. You can use any kind of a marker that you have. I like the Sharpie marker because if the card is a little bit shiny, it will not rub off. It will dry instantly. And these are little tiny clear glue dots, and I'm just going to place them. I want to see if there's a front or a back. I don't think it matters on the butterflies. And I'm just going to place that little glue dot right in the center there and peel off the backing. And then I'm just going to stick it down. And I want to show you, it's hard to even see the glue dot, especially on this dark one, but it holds it quite well, and I want to keep the rest of it loose so it has some dimension. And I will do the same for this butterfly. I will just put it on the, I guess you would call it the spine of the butterfly. If you have larger glue dots, you can cut them in half. So then I will take my little marker and give them antennae. I'm just freehanding it on here. And then I'm going to take some of the small bling and add it to the spine of the butterflies. I will add this blue bling to this blue butterfly. And what's nice about this bling is it comes off the backing in a strip, so you can line any card with it, use it as a border on your cards. But see, I just put some down the center of that guy. And let me see. The clear will work on any of them. I think I'll use the clear on these other two. And some of the butterflies, the larger one might take 4, and the smaller ones, I just have 3. So that card is done. We can add one to the inside as well. I'll just take any one of my scraps here. I haven't used that one, so let's go ahead and just put this one on the inside. And I will not put glitter on him because I want it to stay flat. Bling, rather. I won't put bling on him. Then my next card is this one here. I love this card. It has a matching envelope. So pretty. And it says, thinking of you. And then look at the inside. Gorgeous. And it's blank. And there's the info. I don't know how to pronounce the name of the artist, but it's gorgeous. Such a pretty card. Then I have these 3 butterflies I chose to use on this card. I have the one I call the Peacock Butterfly right there. Love that one. And this gorgeous blue and purple one. And I thought this gray one looked really good with it as well. So I have those 3 butterflies there. And I will go ahead and use the glue dots and stick them down just like I did the others. So there we have the 3, and then I will use my marker and add the antennae onto these. And then I will add some bling to them. I think the 2 blue ones I will use blue bling for. I'll use clear bling for the gray one. There we go. There's that card done. And I'll go ahead and put a butterfly on the inside of the card. Since there are flowers down here, I'll put the butterfly up here. And I'll just go ahead and pick this one. And I think for this one, I will draw a little line. Just for fun to kind of show where he's flown. So that card is done. So cute. I love these butterflies. They're gorgeous. And my last little card is this beautiful floral card. It says for someone very special. And it has a nice saying on the inside. It's nice to send a greeting when the one you send it to isn't just another person, but a special one like you. Happy birthday, happiness always. And this is by Carlton Cards. And I'm going to do a few extra little goodies for this card. I thought these butterflies here, this particular one, looked so good. It matches the colors perfectly. It doesn't show up as good on camera as it does in person. It really does show up on there. But I think since it's such a light color, it kind of gets hidden with the camera. So I use my little glue dot on here. And I will draw there we go. For this one, I will use pink bling on this butterfly. And for this card, any of these 3 would be good. Either the orange, the light pink, or the dark pink. I think I will use the dark pink though, since the envelope is pink. I'm going to trim this end one off. since it got bent. And let's see, 6 of them fit across perfectly. Let me just trim that. And I will use the larger glue dots on the back of each one of these flowers. All right, so I have a glue dot on the back of each flower, and I will peel them off and just adhere it down across the bottom of the card. All right, I have the glue dots on the back of all of them, and here we go. I will stick them on the card. I can take some of these larger gold pieces of bling and use these as the centers for some of the flowers. The larger pieces come off in a strip as well, and they're self-adhesive on the back, so they are really easy to place on the card. What's nice about this floral trim is you can cut individual flowers and use them as an embellishment on your card. I'll do one in the lighter pink and also an orange one. There, so we have the 3 flowers and this beautiful trim at the bottom and the butterfly up at the top. And then I can also place a butterfly on the inside of this card. I think I will use that one since it has the same color scheme as the other ones. So there we have the inside of that card. So what was a plain card is now a beautiful handmade creation. I hope you enjoyed the 3 cards that I made using some of the Beebeecraft products. I will put links to everything in the description box below. They are my affiliate links, and it does help Beebeecraft know that I sent you. If you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, please do click on the subscribe button down there, and then also hit the thumbs up so it will let me know that you like this type of video. Thank you so much for watching. I do appreciate each and every one of you. And until the next video, you know what to do. Go get crafting. Bye-bye.